Hey everyone, I wanted to take an opportunity to go over some of the features in Teambuildr that I've had a few athletes ask me about. We're on the team feed here, which is the page that when you log in will be opened. I'm going to go quickly to today's workout and just show you a couple of quick things. First, when my workout appears, and it looks a little bit different than it will on your phone, but it works generally the same way. When I select the exercise that I'm currently doing, you get a window that pops up. So you can see here's the single leg deadlift. I'm going to scroll over here to the bench press real quick. So on the bench press, as well as the barbell back squat and the hang clean, you'll see here that the max is either input or calculated for you, and then there's certain percentages that we use to control how intense our workouts will be. In the weight column, you'll see here that there's a value of 170 pounds. It calculates the percentage of your max that you should be doing in today's workout for 10 reps. So following our 3-set system, you do 3 sets of 170 pounds for 10 reps in each set. You have to go ahead and type in what you actually do. So even though it's in there and it's light gray, you do have to key in 170, the number of reps you did, and the goal is obviously to complete 10 reps in each set. A couple other things I'll show you. In some of our auxiliary lifts, like the single leg deadlift or the inverted pull-ups, things along those lines. And we'll go to inverted chin-up. There's a couple icons up here. Number one is this blue one. And there's some instructions here that kind of tell you how to set yourself up for the exercise. There's this video icon that will actually give you a video demonstration of the exercise if you're not sure what it is, or even if you want to see proper technique executed. So once I hit that, it will go ahead and play usually a 20 to 30 second video demonstrating how the exercise is to be completed appropriately. So I'm going to close that real quick. The last icon that I think is really important is as we move week to week and we're doing these exercises multiple times, it's important to know, in this case, how many reps maybe you did the last time you did the exercise so that you can try to set a personal record and beat it during this workout. Or if you're just not sure how much weight you did for a particular number of reps. So this green icon is the history of this exercise. I don't have any data entered into this dummy account, but once I click this, you will see a history of the date that you last performed this exercise, the weight you used, as well as the number of reps, or in this case, just the number of reps that you did. So for example, if I go over to single arm overhead press, let's say last time we did 10 reps and I used a 30-pound dumbbell. If I did all 3 sets successfully with that weight, now I'm going to try to go up to a 35-pound dumbbell and complete all 3 sets of 10 reps. So as you know, once you enter in how you performed during that day, you click save, you record everything, and then we take a look at it as coaches to see how things are progressing. So just a quick overview of a couple things. See you next time.